In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set default reply behavior in your Gmail account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find this setting, what each option means, and how to make sure it's applied correctly so your replies behave the way you expect every time. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign in. Look to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open Quick Settings, then choose See All Settings to open the full settings page. You'll land on the General tab by default. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Default Reply Behavior. Here you'll see two choices, Reply and Reply All. Let's quickly clarify the difference. If you choose Reply, Gmail will respond only to the original sender when you hit the reply button, even if the email was sent to a group. This is a great option if you mostly handle one-to-one communication or want to minimize accidental group replies. If you choose Reply All, Gmail will include every recipient on the thread by default when you reply. This is helpful for team projects, coordination across departments, or any conversation where keeping everyone in the loop is important. Select the option that best fits your typical workflow. If you're not sure, consider how often you've caught yourself needing to add people back into a thread. If that happens frequently, Reply All might save you time. If you've ever worried about oversharing or cluttering inboxes, Reply is the safer default. After making your choice, keep scrolling to the very bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Gmail will refresh and your new default is now active. It's easy to confirm. Open any email with multiple recipients, click Reply, and look for the small label or icon indicating whether it's set to reply just to the sender or to everyone. If you ever need to override the default for a specific message, you can still click the drop-down next to the reply arrow and choose Reply All or Reply as needed. The default simply sets what happens first, it doesn't lock you in. A quick tip, this setting is separate from features like Smart Reply or Smart Compose. Those suggest text, while the default reply behavior controls who your response goes to. Also, if you're using a work or school account, some options may be influenced by your organization's policies. That's all there is to it. Set your default once, save your changes, and you'll reduce misfires and keep your conversations on track. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.